From Mthembu saving Mabusi from Umkhokha, Ndlovu chewing the church money, Spamanda finding out about Mabusi's letters, to Usebenzele getting in trouble with Ntombi and his other girlfriend. I think we can all agree that this week's episodes of Umkhokha This were on fire, so if you would like to know what happened on Umkhokha This this past week, then tune in on this video. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. So guys, this week started on a very high note. Velasa rescued Mabusi after she tried killing herself again. So Mthembu came just in time and stopped her from killing herself. And in that process, Mthembu promised Mabusi that she will never have to worry about Umkhokha again because going forward, he'll protect her. And after that scene, Mabusi went and told Nobonga about what happened. And while they were talking, Nobonga decided to take back all the letters that Mabusi wrote to Spamandla, which is where Spamandla learned that Mabusi wanted him to marry Nobonga when she died. And for 2 episodes, Spamandla has been reading those letters and was so angry at Mabusi, but he eventually came around. They spoke about it, and both Mabusi and Noma apologized to Nobonga, which was a beautiful thing to watch. I know you guys hate it, but I really think that Spamandla should take Nobonga as his second wife, man. Come on. Anyway, while all of that was taking place, a visitor came to Mthembu. Well, it was not really a visitor, it was more of a patient. This guy appeared a few months back, and back then, he was trying to fight Spamandla for ending taxi violence. I don't really remember what went on back then. But yeah, so he came back, and this time around, he was sick. So he came with his wife seeking help from Mthembu, and of course, Nomafu helped him. He was then healed, and they left. And while all of that was happening, Umalume Sebenzele was strengthening his relationship with Ntombi, and he promised Ntombi that he'll marry her and that he'll send his family to negotiate lobola with Ntombi's family, not mentioning to anyone that he has a girlfriend that could kill for him. So the girlfriend paid Ntombi a visit, and you guys have to believe me when I say the visit was not really pleasant because it left Ntombi looking like this. So the lady came, Ntombi and told her to leave Sebenzele alone, and that was before the Friday episode ended. So the last scene of the Friday episode was the most shocking. It ended with a surprise visit by Ndlovu to Ethembelile Nkosi. Ndlovu came with his friends in church, and trust me, it was so great to watch. So it appears all of that drama and interest was just for Ndlovu to thank Mamkhulu for helping him. In his speech, he shared his testimony with the whole church and told them everything that Nomafu did for him and his family. He then left gifts in the church, which is how the Friday episode ended. So we now wait to see what the show brings us in the upcoming week, but do not worry, I'll keep you updated. So in order for you to stay updated, you're gonna have to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.